Perfect for a single-serve grilled cheese or small breakfast meals. Superior nonstick interior and exterior make it easy to cook and clean. Healthy cooking results with minimal oils or fat. Aluminum construction for fast and even heat distribution. Dishwasher safe. T-fal B36314 specialty nonstick 6.5-inch mini cheese griddle cookware, black. Top reviews from the United States. It's great if you're making just one grilled sandwich. I purchased this as a Christmas gift for my wife to replace the old scratched mini skillet we have. She makes herself grilled cheese sandwiches a lot, and I didn't trust the coating on our old one to not start flaking off and getting into her sandwiches. The non-stick surface is truly non-stick, it's easy to clean, heats up quick, and once the burner is turned off, it cools down quickly too, which is good because you don't have to wait very long to wash it, because putting it in water that is cooler than it would cause it to warp.